Hello, I'm in a 2015 Range Rover Evoque, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your language settings from this display rather than this display. So from your main screen here, we're going to be using the OK and the up and downs. So I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm just going to click up or down as needed, but down till I get to Instrument, Display, OK. Language, it's the top one, I hit OK. And then here there's, I think, about 19 languages to pick from. So scroll to whatever you need, up or down. I'll go ahead and scroll through all of them so you can see what they are. So a lot to choose from. I'm gonna go back up and I'll go ahead and hit Spanish for this example. So Espanol, okay. And then just auto changes it all. That's it. And let's say you need to change it back, because obviously I speak English. Okay, scroll down. That was that third one, and then this idiomas, your language. Okay again, and then I'll switch it back to English. But that's it. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.